Gwen from Mount Pleasant Waterworks. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the sample test kit we provided to collect 2 samples for lead analysis from a cold water faucet inside your school or daycare. These samples can help you determine how the material in the faucet or internal plumbing might impact water quality. Let's take a look at the sample kit and make sure you have everything you'll need. Inside, you'll find 2 250 milliliter bottles, one clearly marked with sample bottle number 1 and the other with sample bottle number 2, a pair of gloves, a timer, sampling instructions, and a sample collection form to complete after collecting your samples. Before you begin collecting the samples, it is very important that you do not use the water in your school or daycare for at least 8 hours. Samples must be taken before any water is used. That's usually first thing in the morning. It is also important that you collect your samples from a cold water faucet inside the building and that you fill the provided sample bottles completely. Let's get started. With your gloves on, remove the tops of your 2 sample bottles and place them near the sink. Next, position the sample bottle marked as sample bottle number 1 directly under the faucet. Turn on the cold water faucet to get a steady flow and fill the bottle completely. Leave the water running and set your first bottle aside. Be sure to let the water run for 30 seconds before moving on to sample bottle number 2. Place sample bottle number 2 under the faucet, fill it completely, and set it aside. Now you can turn off the water. Finally, place the caps back on both bottles. Enter the sample collection details on the provided sample collection form, noting the time, location, and faucet type for the sample collected. Place all items back in the provided sample kit. Congratulations! Your samples are ready for pickup. Now it's time to contact the Mount Pleasant Waterworks laboratory. Using the email or phone number on the sample collection form, we'll coordinate a pickup day and time and guide you through the next steps. Thank you for taking the time to collect samples for your school or childcare facility. The typical turnaround time to receive results is 2 to 3 weeks. Mount Pleasant Waterworks will help interpret your results and advise on any necessary mitigation steps. Together, we can ensure a safe learning environment for children.